Hello guys, welcome to my channel.
In this tutorials, we are going to learn about the function with return value. In previous two lecture, we have read about the function simple without a parameter, and second lecture we have read about the function with parameter. In this lecture, we are going to read about the function with return value. So in this function, we are creating a function with one keyword like sum function. We are passing a parameter here num1 int type num1 int num2 int and return type is also int, so we are mentioning here the return type. And then this in Kotlin we have to specify return type after the column like this. In Java we put return type here, but in Kotlin we put return type at the last. Then we have to return a value also, so put return, then num1 plus num. So these are going to display by adding these two numbers. We are calling this here println the sum of two number is equal to plus, and sum we are passing a value here. Okay, so like this, again calling the function, running a program. Now you see the first simple method without any parameter, second method with parameter, and third one with the return value. We are passing a two value num1 num2, and by adding displaying the value of the sum. Okay, in next lecture we will read about the default parameter in Kotlin.